Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have administrative access because changing DNS requires elevated rights. Once done, pick your DNS provider. Common public choices are 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, and note preferred and alternate IPs. Next, open network settings for the active adapter and locate IP4 properties. This is where you switch from automatic to manual DNS. Make sure to write down the original values before changing anything so you can revert if necessary. Now perform the detailed configuration. Open your adapter properties, select IP4, and use the following DNS server addresses. Enter the primary DNS IP in the top box and the secondary in the bottom box, then save and close. Once applied, flush the DNS cache to force the laptop to use the new resolver. Run ipconfig/flushdns on Windows or sudo killall HUPM DNS responder on Mac OS. Also restart the browser to clear any DNS caching there. Finish by verifying the change. Ping a domain and run nslookup or dig to confirm queries go to your chosen server. The reply should show the DNS IP you set. If you see no resolution or slow responses, revert to the original values, try a different public DNS, and restart networking services. Make sure VPNs, firewalls, or parental controls are not forcing another resolver. These often override local settings. One troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable the VPN to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.